Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. Anthropic releases Claude Fable 5 and Mythos 5 with record coding and science. Prominent red teamer jailbreaks Claude Fable 5 within 48 hours using multi-agent. Xpeng pivots hard into physical AI. And finally, NEURA. Robotics raises up to $1.4 billion Series C to scale physical AI and humanoids. Let's get into it.
Anthropic just dropped not one, but two monsters. Claude Fable 5 is the public face, and it is demolishing coding benchmarks. 80.3% on software engineering tests, which basically means it can write and debug code better than many human developers. Then there is Mythos 5. This one is locked behind a cyber partner's door, and it scored 78% on exploit bench. That is the test for finding software holes. So on one hand, Anthropic built a brilliant coder for everyone. On the other, they built a vulnerability hunter for the pros. Both cost $10 in, $50 out per million tokens. The real headline here is that agentic AI is not coming. It is already here doing real work in genomics and finance. Anthropic just proved the gap between lab demo and production tool is closing faster than anyone predicted.
Okay, my mind is officially blown. I did not see this coming at all.
If you think the newest, safest model on the block is unbreakable, think again. Anthropic said Claude Fable 5 survived over 1,000 hours of external testing with no universal jailbreak found. They even built classifiers to quietly downgrade risky requests. Well, enter a well-known security researcher. Within 48 hours of launch, they used a swarm of coordinated agents, sneaky Unicode tricks, and a whole lot of narrative framing to crack it wide open. They pulled out the full system prompt, all 120,000 characters of it, and then generated working exploit code and dangerous chemistry instructions. It was a masterclass in multi-agent collusion. The lesson here is not that safety is pointless, but that when you pit one model against many, the many will eventually find the cracks. Anthropic's dual-track safety architecture just got its first real-world exam, and it did not pass.
All right, let's go. This next story has me fired up. You are going to want to hear this.
While the Western AI world is busy chasing benchmarks and debating timelines, Xpeng is gearing up its factories to mass-produce humanoid robots by the end of this year. The Chinese electric vehicle maker is treating physical AI as its next core business. Think robotaxis, flying cars, and the iron humanoid all rolling off the same production mindset that built their cars. Xpeng's boss is personally heading the robot unit, which tells you exactly how seriously they are taking this. 6 months from mass production is an insanely aggressive timeline, but Xpeng has the manufacturing muscle and the capital to try it. The message is clear. The race for embodied intelligence is no longer just a research lab beauty contest. It is an industrial arms race, and Asia is not waiting for permission to start building.
Okay, this next one. I am genuinely excited about this. You are going to love it.
Speaking of the physical world, NEURA Robotics just announced a funding round that could hit $1.4 billion. Yes, with a B. This German robotics firm is scaling up its humanoid production and robot learning platforms to go global. That number is staggering, but it tells a bigger story. Investors are shifting capital from pure software plays to companies that can actually put robots in factories, warehouses, and eventually homes. Software valuations bounce around with every new benchmark and jailbreak, but hardware that touches the real world attracts stable, massive capital. NEURA is betting that the loop between a robot learning by doing and then doing it better is the real moat. 1.4 billion suggests a lot of very smart money agrees. The era of physical AI is not on the horizon. It is being funded right now.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.